In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to customers in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an invoice and send it to your customer right from QuickBooks quickly and confidently. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Move your cursor over the Create button to reveal the Shortcuts menu. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens the options you need without leaving your current page, which is a simple way to keep your workflow smooth. From that menu, select Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form. Think of this as the digital document your customer will receive by email, along with a link to view or pay, depending on your setup. Next, add the customer. Use the customer field at the top of the invoice to choose the right contact, or add a new one if this is a first-time sale. QuickBooks will pull in that customer's saved details, including their email address, which is what the system uses when you send the message. Take a second to confirm you've chosen the correct customer, since that ensures the email goes to the right inbox. Now, add your product or service. In the product service column, pick the item that best matches what you're billing for. This automatically brings in preset information like default rates or accounts, helping you stay consistent and accurate. Type a clear, friendly description. This appears on the invoice and helps your customer understand exactly what they're being billed for. A sentence or two is plenty. Focus on what was delivered in any helpful context, like a date range or a project reference. Add the rate. Enter the appropriate price for the item you've selected. QuickBooks will calculate the totals for you, so you can quickly verify the amount looks right before moving on. When the details are set, choose Review and Send. This opens a preview window that shows what your customer will see and lets you make final edits without changing the invoice itself. Check the email body. Read the subject line and message to make sure they're professional, accurate, and easy to understand. Keep the tone courteous, confirm the key details, and avoid including any sensitive information in the message. A concise note, such as a thank you and the due date, helps set expectations. When everything looks good, click. Send invoice. QuickBooks will deliver the email to your customer and track the activity, so you'll know when it's been sent. That's it. Your invoice is on its way and your records are up to date.